Hello, friends. My name is Camille Rashid. Today, we're discussing the top 5 ways to earn money in 2024. First up is online freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer flexible work opportunities. Online freelancing offers numerous benefits, including flexibility, autonomy, variety, and potential for high earnings. Next is affiliate marketing. Promote products from Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction to earn commissions. Several popular online freelancing platforms exist, including Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Third is online tutoring. Use platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, and VIPKid to teach and learn. Fourth is selling products online. Utilize e-commerce platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. Fifth is investing in stocks. Use platforms like Zerodha, Upstocks, and Robinhood to invest and grow. These 5 ways to earn money in 2024 offer flexibility and lucrative opportunities. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more